my YouTube channel. It's Joey here again with yet another wig review, and this wig review is brought to you by Zury Hollywood. And this is also going to be a collaboration with my girls Makeup for Serenity B and Rhythm Beauty. And what we decided to do was we decided to do a TLC inspired look. As you guys can see, I'm trying to impersonate Left Eye, and I will be reviewing this wig that I'm wearing right now with you guys as well. So if you guys are interested in knowing more, just keep watching. This wig that I'm wearing right now is actually been out for a while now. I did take some pictures a few months ago with it on, but I just never did a review on it. I never got to do a review, so I had to really think, because you know we were doing a collaboration together, me and my girls. So I had to really figure out like what hair am I gonna wear to be Left Eye. It was either Left Eye or Chili. So I was like, what hair am I gonna wear? So then it clicked in my head, and I was like, well, I do have one of my wigs, which is in a black color and it has bangs, and you know I can do different things to it. So let me just test it out and see how it comes out. And honestly, the tutorial that I'm going to show you guys, it's a really quick tutorial. It's nothing crazy that I'm going to show you guys later. I did it in a matter of like 5 minutes, not even lying to you. So let's get to the wig review. Now, I don't have the stock card for this wig because I've had this wig for quite a while now. But this wig that I'm wearing is from the Sassy Lively Spirit collection from Zury Hollywood, and her name is Lori. Now Lori actually looks like this. I know Lori looks a lot different than how I have her on right now, but as you're gonna see in my tutorial, I did flat iron her. I did flat iron her prior to even making this video, but she did come with these beautiful waves. Now, don't get me wrong, the waves were beautiful, but I just wasn't really like crazy about the waves. So I decided to straighten it because I'm more of a straight hair kind of girl when it comes to a bob. And I think she's absolutely gorgeous. Now, this wig does come in a lot of different colors. So it is available in a lot of different colors if you want to. The color that I'm wearing is 1B, which is an off black. And she does come in sombre colors. She is safe to heat up to 400 degrees. I did flat iron her at 430, so she does take the heat pretty well. And she is also hand tied, and she does have Remy fibers. So let me tell you guys what I think about this wig. Wig cap construction real quick. You do have one comb back here, and you do have one right here, and you also have one right here. I'm trying to see the sides if I have any, because I actually don't have the combs on right now because of the hairstyle. Yeah, that's all she has, and she does have adjustable straps, and she is big head and little head friendly. I do have a smaller head, and she is snugged onto my head right now pretty well. So yeah. So let me tell you guys a few things about this wig, what I love about this wig. So one thing that I do love about this wig is I'm not really a big fan of bangs. This was actually the first unit that I received from Zury Hollywood that had bangs. And I was kind of nervous because I hadn't seen myself with bangs since like high school. So I was like, damn, this is probably not gonna look cute on me. Now when I put it on, I thought it was all right, but my face looked a little bit fat. So I was like, okay, this ain't for me. When I did straighten her, I did love her a lot more. I'm actually gonna show you guys also, well, you seen it in the beginning of the video. You guys seen how she looks without me doing this hairstyle. The fact that I can do this is versatility at its finest, especially with a wig like this, because a lot of times wigs that have bangs, if you try to do any versatile hairstyles, they do end up looking like wigs. But one thing that I do love about this wig is that I don't think you guys can actually see it, but you can see it just quite a little bit up here. It does have a little lace parting space right there. It's like about this big. I'm not even gonna lie to you, it's about this big. And I love it because honestly, like, you could put your hair up and it'll look like you have a parting space in the middle. I'm not really a hair person. This is why I wear wigs, because I'm very lazy with doing my own hair. So the fact that I was able to actually part the hair and actually put it up in a hairstyle like this. And if I wanted to, I can do this as well, which is pretty cute. I would just need a scrunchie, but I can always do this. You know, like, you could just do so much, and I just love the versatility. Another thing that I love about this wig is also the texture. The texture is so soft. So just like you're seeing it on camera, that I'm just running my fingers through it, it is super duper soft. So I do love that about this wig as well. The price is pretty good as well. I will be putting a link below so you guys can purchase this wig as well. And I mean, if you're gonna do a Halloween look or something and it requires a look with bangs like this, definitely this is the wig that you want to go for, because look at this. I just created, I may not look like her or anything, but I just created a whole left eye look just because of this wig, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm saying, like, it's just so easy. I did do a little tiny little braid just to add a little detail to it, but you know, it's super easy. When she is curled, she looks a little bit shorter, but she comes up to almost up to my boobs, a little bit past my collarbone. I am 4'11", so everything tends to look longer on me most of the time. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I know I probably didn't execute the left eye look, but I will tell you this hair did help a lot, so it's whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you also go and check out my other girls' videos. They're doing T-Boss and Chili, so make sure that you guys check out their videos. I will be putting the link below. I want to thank Zury for sending me this wig, and I know it took me a while to do a review for it, but I do want to thank them for sending me this wig. And also, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, taking the time to watch this video. Make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram, and make sure, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that bell so you guys get notifications on when I'm dropping a new video. I will see you guys soon. Bye.